everyone, my name is Naomi. I'm a migration agent in Think Higher. Today I'm going to talk about the coming visa called 491 visa, which will be introduced on the 16th of November this year. So after the 16th of November, there will be no more 489 visa, which will be replaced by 491 visa. Under the 491 visa, the applicant can have more points. For example, if you're single, you have 10 points. If you are married and your wife have a skill assessment and have competent English, then she will get 10 points for that. And for state nomination, it will be 15 points instead of 10 points. And the government also have proposed additional points to reward students with scholarship, and like if you do a degree, a master degree in science or mathematics or business or engineering, the government will give you more points for that. The government also proposed to give 491 visa applicant the benefit of Medicare. This hasn't been law yet, but the government is thinking about that. And also the states are now busy working on each state's nomination criteria, and the state might not be able to finalize it before the 16th of November. So the details of the state nomination criteria may not be able to come out on the 16th of November, although the government said that they will introduce the 491 visa on that date. We heard some news from the South Australia government, immigration government, that if you are transferring from other states in Australia to South Australia, and if you work in South Australia for 12 months, you may be eligible for 491 visa. That's all we know at this stage. Please stay tuned. Thank you. Bye. If you need more information about the 491 visa, please do come and visit us at our office at level 4, 413 at 365 Little Collins Street, Melbourne. We open Monday to Friday, 9 to 6. Thank you.